Hello, and welcome back to Everyday English with Mr. Newtoe, your safe space to listen, repeat, shadow, and grow in English with calm confidence. I'm Mr. Newtoe, and I'm glad you're here today. In this episode, I'll speak slowly, using clear, simple words, and I'll repeat important ideas so you can shadow my voice. Practice your pronunciation, and build fluency, step by step. Today, we'll focus on something practical, something you can use right away. How to describe your daily routine in English. Not just short phrases, but full, natural sentences that sound real. Think about it. What do you do in the morning? What usually happens in your afternoon? How does your evening look before you go to bed? By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to talk about your day in English with sentences that flow naturally, the kind you can use in conversations with friends, classmates, or even colleagues. So, let's dive in. Why is this important? Why should you practice describing your day in English? The answer is simple, because your day is real, and it's yours. You already know it well. You don't need a dictionary to explain what you had for breakfast, or what time you woke up. You don't need to think about politics or complicated topics. You just need to talk about your life. When you describe your day, you are practicing useful, everyday English, the kind of English that helps you communicate with real people in real life. And here's the secret. It doesn't need to be perfect. You just need to try. When you do, you start to think in English. You stop translating in your head. You begin to form complete, natural sentences. And with each practice, your confidence grows. That's how fluency is built. Small steps, every day, using the English that truly matters to you. Let's imagine a situation. You meet someone new, and they ask, "What did you do today?" If you've practiced before, you won't freeze. You can answer smoothly. I woke up at 7. I went to work. I had coffee and answered emails. In the evening, I made dinner and watched TV. That's a full conversation already. Real English, real communication. And that's your goal. Even if you're shy, even if you don't live in an English-speaking country, even if you're alone in your room, you can still practice speaking by talking about your day. Whenever you don't know what to say, start there. Ask yourself simple questions. What did I do today? What time did I wake up? What did I eat? Where did I go? What happened in the evening? These questions guide you. They pull the words out of your memory. They help you connect English to your real life. And the more you do this, the easier it becomes. Now, let's practice together. We'll start with the morning. Repeat each sentence after me, slowly, clearly, just like shadowing. Ready? Let's go. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. Now you. Sometimes I wake up earlier, around 6:30 when I have a lot to do. Your turn. If I sleep late, I feel tired the next morning. Good. I stay in bed for a few minutes and think about my day. Excellent. I like to take a deep breath and stretch my arms and legs. Very nice. See how natural this feels? You're not just learning, you're living the English language through your own actions. We'll build this step by step. First mornings, then afternoons, then evenings. And finally, we'll put it all together into a complete story, a full routine you can share confidently. Each time you listen and shadow, you'll add more sentences, more fluency, and more confidence. And that's how English becomes part of you. Not something you study, but something you live every single day.